Good morning, students. Welcome back to our GK class. Previous class, we learned about food. Shall I ask some question? Yes. First question is, which ingredient makes bread rise? Say the answer. Which ingredient makes bread rise? Answer is yeast. The next question. What does the word onion mean in Latin? What does the word onion mean in Latin? Answer is large pearl. Large pearl. Now we learn about new lesson. Fun with numbers. Fun with numbers. The word mathematics comes from the Greek mathema, which means learning, study, or science. The word mathematics comes from the Greek mathema, which means learning, study, or science. 0 is a number that cannot be represented by Roman numerals. Listen, 0 is a number that cannot be represented by Roman numerals. Prime numbers are numbers that can only be divided by themselves and 1. Once more, listen. Prime numbers are numbers that can only be divided by themselves and 1. Next, we see some exercise. Take your book, page number 14. Page number 14. The first question is, the famous dash is the name of series of children's books by British writer ended by 10. Answer is 5. The famous 5 is the name of a series of children's books by British writer ended by 10. Next one. In sports, dash success of the same kind within a limited period is called a hat-trick. In sports, 3 success of the same kind within a limited period is called a hat-trick. Third one. Each airplane in Boeing's line of passengers jet is named with a 3-digit number beginning and ending in dash 7. Next question. Apollo dash was the first manned spacecraft to the moon. 11. Answer is 11. Apollo 11 was the first manned spacecraft to the moon. Next, the average body temperature for human is dash degrees Celsius. 37. The average body temperature for human is 37 degrees Celsius. The sum of the first 6 prime number is dash 41. The sum of the first 6 prime number is 41. Dash is the final teenage year. 19. 19 is the final teenage year. The smallest prime number, that is the sum of 5 other prime numbers, 3 plus, 5 plus, 7 plus, 11 plus, 17 is dash 43. Answer is 43. Next, India has dash states. 29 states. India has 29 states. The Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn are located dash degrees apart. 47. The Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn are located 47 degrees apart. Zimmer Michael Phelps has won dash Olympic gold medals an all-time record? 23. Answer is 23 Olympic gold medals an all-time record. The number of days in a month: January, March, May, July, August, October and December is 31. The number of days in the months January, March, May, July, August, October and December is 31. India has had dash presidents so far 2016. 13 presidents so far 2016. India has had 13 presidents so far 2016. Dash year is coming of age of wizards in Harry Potter world? 17 years. 17 years. The only even prime number is dash 2. Answer is 2. The only even prime number is 2. The only even prime number is 2. Okay students, next we see about river valley civilization. River valley civilization. The first civilizations formed on the banks of rivers. The first civilization formed where? On the bank of rivers. The first civilizations formed on the bank of rivers. The most notable examples are the ancient Egyptians. For example, the most important example is the ancient Egyptians who were based on the Nile. Nile means they have one river. Okay. So, the most notable examples are the ancient Egyptians who were based on the Nile. Now we see some exercise. Study the pictorial map given below and then fill in the table with the words from the help of box. See, first rivers, Indus, places, Karapa, persons, statue of man wearing embroidered garment, animals of significance, bull, things, terracotta seals and toys. Terracotta seals and toys. Next one is Nile. Next river is what? Nile. Places, Egypt. Places, Egypt. Persons, Perak. Animals and significance, falcon, cat and crocodile. Things, pyramids, mummified bodies. Rivers, Ganges, Yards, China, the Shang dynasty kings. Animals of significance, dragon. Things, silk, porcelain. Next, rivers, Tigris, Euphrates. Places, Mesopotamia. Persons, King Kumaribi of Babylon. Animals of significance, Saluki, dog. Things, places called ziggurats, sailboats. Temples called ziggurats, sailboats. Okay students,